Here we are, 3 days removed. What did you think about what you called on Saturday night in Las Vegas?
Well, I think a lot less of it now. Look, it was a cynical enterprise to begin with in certain ways, and now seems even more so. And I think, I feel terrible for anyone who spent four figures on a ticket. Feel bad for people who spent $80, $90, $100 on pay-per-view, who were not given proper information in advance on what it was they were seeing. I think, that there may be a constituency of people who think it's in some way noble and brave for Pacquiao to go ahead and enter the ring with an injury and try to perform. But I think that the only way that would wash is if the public had known in advance. To have gone ahead with the enterprise when one of the fighters turns out to have been damaged goods, and for all of the advertising and promotion to have continued to base itself on the notion that this was the fight of the century and the best combat that boxing could offer to fans and uninitiated fans who only know a little bit about boxing and see it from the surface level, buy in at the level at which they bought in, and are bound to feel somewhat cheated today. I just really think it's highly unfortunate for our sport. I think it's bad for Pacquiao's image and taints his great and noble career. I could go on and on about all of the ways in which this is unfortunate for boxing and for the audience. And I can't imagine, even under these circumstances, that a rematch would elicit anything other than an embarrassing response compared to what they got the other night.
The Rich Eisen Show, weekdays at noon Eastern. On Audience.